So what are we talking about?
I'm Melissa.
I'm Keith. We're American expats living here in Paris for...
Well, we moved to France about 2 years ago.
Yeah.
Me a little bit longer, you a little bit less.
So about 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
So the reason we're doing this is we get asked a lot for
photography advice, and for, well, now that we live in Paris, we get asked a lot
everybody's always
about
asking where we're going to do
itineraries,
stuff in Paris. So
where to go, what to do, what to see.
So we figure we're compiling a list for our friends, so why not compile a list for you guys out there in YouTube land. So
So the intention, I think, of the channel is to cover, well, you explained it really well.
A lot of it is just going to be people have asked us a lot of photography advice, and a lot of people go around and photograph places, just travel photography, and they don't really do that good a job. They just take the like selfies in front of monuments, call it a day, and then wonder why their stuff doesn't look that good. So what we're going to do is...
And that's not us critiquing them, saying they're not doing well. They often come back from a vacation, look at their images, and say, these are horrible, what can I do better?
True. Yes, so we're going to do some tutorials on how to use your iPhone or whatever phone you've got to do this, because the phones have become the most popular photographic tools in the world. So I'm not going to ask or expect people to have the cameras that we have, because we're professionals. So that said, you got a phone on you, it's got a camera, you can do better. So we're going to teach you ways to make your phone photographs interesting, and in the end, how to lay the whole thing out. And you'll be a better travel photographer, which will work both with your phone, and if you want to use a better camera, you can use that too. So we're just going to gear toward the phone just to make it easy.
Definitely, and something that everyone, as you just said, has with them on a trip. So it's a great starting point, something that everyone can relate to, and something that everyone always has on them.
Yep. So, all right, stay tuned, check back periodically, and look forward to seeing you. Oh, let me not forget, please like and subscribe. And again, if you hit that bell that's down at the bottom on one of these sides, then it'll tell you when there's new content. Thanks.
I gotta see this. Of course, I don't even have my